thank you for stopping at Rat Dog Bicycles. I'm going to do a tally on this red mongoose that I put together. Let's see. We'll start out here. I paid $25 for the bike. The hand grips were new, so I paid $10. The brake cable and brake housing was used. It's $5. Used V-brakes, they were $5. The saddle was new. I paid $17. Bottom bracket bearing I had to replace, so I used some used ones. They were $3. The bicycle chain was new. It was $12. The pedals were new. They were $9. The used black rims, they were $12. Used brake lever was $5. And the trick pegs on the back, they were $7. So the total came out to $110. Not too bad, a little more than I wanted to pay. I probably could have done without the trick pegs. That would have saved, about $7. But all in all, looks all right. So, guess that'll be all. I got some other bicycles I'm going to be doing. Some other new stuff I've never done. So, y'all have a great day, a great week, and keep riding your bikes. Bye-bye.